When you see this message in Premiere Pro, it can be really annoying and frustrating. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can avoid this when working on your projects. Let's get into it. Here we are in Premiere Pro. I've got my demo project laid out on the timeline, and I'm going to show you how you can prevent ever seeing a media offline message ever again. In order for us to be able to do this, we need to go into the project manager for this project. We can access this by going up to File, going down to Project Manager, and this window will appear. Mine looks pretty basic, but that's just for this demonstration. Now, what this window allows you to do is to create a whole new folder containing every element that you have used in your project. I recommend doing this once you've finished a project that you know you may go back and edit later. As a videographer, I do this all the time, so this is a really helpful tool. So what we want to do in this window is we want to select the sequence that we want to create a whole new folder for. For this demo, I just have this one sequence, so that's what I'm going to roll with here. The next thing we need to do is make sure we're telling Premiere to do the right thing. So under Resulting Project, we want to select Collect Files and Copy to a New Location. This is going to do exactly what it says on the tin. It's going to take all the media contained within this sequence and put it into a new folder. To the right over here, we have Options, and this is where we can get a bit picky with it and choose what we want Premiere to copy into this new folder. So if you have any media in your project that you haven't used, you can check Exclude Unused Clips. That will lighten up your project for you. You can include audio conform files, include preview files, and rename media files to match clip names. You can go through this and fully customize it to suit your needs, but this is what it allows you to do. So once we've gone through the options, the next thing to do is choose where we want our new folder to live. We can do this by clicking on Browse, and this is going to open up either Finder or Explorer depending which operating system you're using. I'm going to go ahead and save it in this folder and just click Choose. And below Destination Path, we have Disk Space. A really cool thing about this is you can tell Premiere Pro to calculate how much disk space you need so that you know how much space it's going to take up. For this example, I'm not going to do that, but if you're working on a bigger project, you may want to look into that. Once you've done this, all you need to do is click OK. And Premiere Pro is going to create a copy of this folder containing all of the files. Now, if I pull up the folder that Premiere Pro has just created, we can see that it's created a folder within the folder called Copied New Demo Project. If I click into that, I can see all of the media that I use within this project. So we've got the project file, all the clips, the music, audio previews, the video previews, and even the media cache. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.